some of them, but let us get it written up first. -1, -0.5, I will choose not to write the 0, 1.25, 1, 1.5, -0.25. Close the bracket. Second one. Oh, I think I got it. 1.2, 0.2, 0. First question, as I switch to a darker marker, is, can you do it or not?
Yes.
Yes.
What are the dimensions of this matrix?
2 by 3.
2 by 3. What are the dimensions of this matrix?
3, 1.
3 by 1. The inner dimensions match, so we can do it. And my answer will be a 2 by 1 matrix based on my outer dimensions. Okay? To get my 2 by 1 matrix, I'm going to multiply all the elements of row 1 by their corresponding elements in column 1 over here.
No, you're not.
I really am. Do you double dog dare me? All right. To get my second element, I'm going to multiply all the elements of row 2 by their corresponding elements in row 1. So that my answer will, see, I know my answer is going to be a 2 by 1, so it's going to look something like that.
You should have brought that first, like the closed bracket, because then you can.
I was planning on scrunching up. If you know, with decimals, I should give myself more room. Here you go, Jordan. I know I'm going to run out of room over here anyway, right? So I might as well put my bracket there. Okay. To find what single number goes in my row 1, column 1 spot in my answer,
Oh.
I multiply row 1 here, so it's -1 times
1.2 plus -0.5 times 0.2 times 1.25 times 0.
plus 1.25 times 0. Okay, then to find out my remaining number,
1.
multiply row 2 by column 1. 1 times 1.2
Why are they so spread out?
plus 1.5, which I'm trying to write clearly. Yeah, we get a little scrunched here. It makes you feel better.
No, it really doesn't.
Pardon? What's your little trick?
Once you do the first line, you just copy the parentheses and then put the second line.
That's exactly the sort of thing I do in my software.
Oh.
Very smart. I like that. Just copy it and then change what's in the parentheses. Okay. No, that's a good trick. Okay, this first element is going to be, let's see what I can do here. This is going to be -1.2 plus or minus half of 0.2 would be 0.1 plus 0. This is going to be 1.2 plus 0.3.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Sure.
And then plus 0. So this should be, let's see, -2.2,
No.
no? And 1.5?
No.
No, -1.3. You know what, I was looking at that, I couldn't tell my ones from my tens places.
Should we do a really long one so that we can see the
No, the bottom one's
Isn't it
wrong.
1.2? It's 1.2 times
Minus. -1.2 minus 0.1.
Bottom one's wrong.
Okay? 1.2 plus 0.3.
Oh.
Bottom one's wrong.
Oh.
This one's wrong? What's what, how so? Please tell me where.
Because yesterday I did it with you and you said it was 0.9.
That was with a calculator, right?
Mm-hmm.
He's got a calculator. Mikey, you double checking us here?
I'm working on it.
1 times 1.2.
It's like a horrible glare. I can't even see what I'm doing.
I'm feeling good about this one.
Looks fine.
Come on.
You're in a different
It
position.
doesn't matter, we get the
Doesn't matter.
No, I meant the
Oh.
No, really.
I meant the thing looks
Sorry.
fine. The problem looks fine to me.
Oh, you missed your relevant?
Yeah, well, here's what I was thinking. 2 times 1.5 would be 3. And then I moved the decimal back 1 because it was a 0.2. So it would get me 0.3.
Excuse me.
That's right.
That's right. Woohoo! Yes.
Can we spend more
That's
time on these types of matrices?
Not too much, but today's lesson is short. So we can do, I think we can do one more.
24.
We can do number 24.
No, we do 28.
Well, wait a minute. Actually, you know what, Amanda asked about 28 earlier. Let me see what 28 is, see if it's one that's...
A, B stuff.
Oh, I did that. That was so annoying.
That one wasn't hard. That was just a 2 by 2 times a 2 by 2.
Yeah, can we do something really long? So,
We can do number 26. We can do number 26 real quick. That's a 3 by 3 with no decimals. Let's do 26. Mike in 26.
Oh, I like how you got that.
Okay. Number 26. Okay.
Oh, I have them for you.
Okay, good. Yeah, I'll need someone to read them for me in a sec.
Okay.
And then I'll teach the new thing today. Today, I'm going to give you a heads up. I'm going to teach something today, and tomorrow I'm going to tell you the point of it. So today what you're learning is going to seem like a completely pointless exercise, even more so than some of you already think
Please,
math
we're
in
not,
general is.
we're not dividing them, are we?
That comes later.
Oh.
Matrix division is a very weird thing.
We're
It's
not-
actually multiplying by matrix reciprocals. Amanda, can you read me the numbers? Are we going right to left or up
I'm
and down?
going cross.
Okay, hit me.
Okay, 0,
Uh-huh,
1, 0,
okay,
6, negative 3, 1,
okay.
negative 2, 5, 3.
Negative 2, 5, 3. And my next 3 by 3 matrix?
I'm going cross.
Okay.
5, negative 7, 4,
5, negative 7, 4.
3, 12, 6,
3, 12, 6.
negative 4, negative 5, negative 12.
Negative 12. Okay. Now, I have a 3 by 3 matrix times a 3 by 3 matrix. I realize with square matrices, this is kind of a silly question.
Yeah, 3 by 3 matrix.
Yes. Oh, you have not seen me scrunch yet. The inner ones match, so it can be done. And as Micah just pointed out, the outer ones determine the dimensions. It's going to be a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay? To get the single number that goes in the row 1, column 1 spot, I multiply row 1 times column 1, each of the corresponding elements.
Wait,
So that's 0 times 5.
That's 1 times 3
Plus
plus 0 times negative 4.
wait, I have a
Good.
question.
Yes, Navy, what's your question?
So you multiplied the whole entire row by the whole entire column just the way you did it?
Yes, multiply the corresponding elements.
So like so that's how you do it. So like for the second one you do 6 times 3. No. Yeah, no.
Okay, depends on what you're looking for. Like next, I'm going to go down from here, okay? So now I'm looking for the single number that goes in the second row, column 1 spot. So I'm going to use the second row in the first column to get those
Or you
numbers.
can go down.
But you just use the first column for the first row.
Now I use the first row of, this is where it gets confusing. Take a deep breath. Okay, hang on a sec. Whatever number you're looking for, you know your answer is going to be a 3 by 3 matrix, okay?
Sure.
Okay, because of how the dimensions line up.
Yeah.
Since you know you're looking for a 3 by 3 matrix, you can choose to fill these in any order. You know you're looking for 9 different things.
I got it.
Okay, hang on. So now I want to choose to fill in this one next. This is the row 2, column 1 spot on this matrix. So I'm going to use the numbers from row 2 and the numbers from row 1, which are going to be 6 times 5 plus negative 3 times 3
Does that actually?
plus 1 times negative 4.
I've been going that way.
No, you know, it's always row times column.
No, I've been doing that, but I've been.
Oh, that's fine.
that
You
way.
can go in any direction. I could choose to find the 3 spot if I
It'd be
want.
different numbers. I've been different numbers when I'm placing.
Shouldn't be.
No, because like if I do the 6 times 5 and I keep continuing it down.
Okay, like, well, here, let me. Hopefully, this won't make Jordan's brain explode because she likes to do the same thing every way each time. But
No.
let me continue here. Jordan, let's say I was going this way now.
No.
Okay, let's say I wanted to find out this answer now instead of continuing going down here. I just want to find out this one.
What I'm saying is I've been doing the same order you've been doing.
Uh-huh.
Like the same thing, but instead of writing the 6 like that on the bottom, I've written it next to it.
Like you would have put these numbers here.
Uh-huh.
That would be an issue.
Okay.
That would mean all your numbers in the wrong spot. Okay, so.
I've been doing the same thing, just in the wrong spot.
Okay, that will be important later. Okay, now, I want to find this one here. This is the
Wait, can you finish?
row 1, column 2. I'm intentionally doing this to drive Jordan nuts because she's
No,
slightly
no,
OCD about
don't
this.
do that.
I don't know.
Wait. What about the third row? What would you tell?
Okay, well, what would I find here? Okay, I'll stay in order. Row 3, column 1 will get me the row 3, column 1 spot. So that's
Okay.
negative 2 times 5
Oh, I get it.
plus 5 times 3 plus 3 times negative 4.
That sucks. I'm reading in the wrong place.
That will be a problem soon. Now for the middle column of my answer, I'm going to multiply rows 1, 2, and 3 by the middle column of what I'm multiplying by.
Are you gonna have 3 sections there?
Yes. Yep. 0 times negative 7 plus 1 times 12 plus 0 times negative 5.
I got it.
Yay! 6 times negative 7 plus negative 3 times 12